Hey there, John Schuster with Coldwell Banker. They say you only have one chance to make a first impression. Now, if you're thinking of selling your house soon, this is a must-watch 1-minute video. Folks, there's actually two first impressions a buyer will have on your home. The first is how it is presented online. Your home deserves first-class professional photos, photo enhancements, and top placement on all the major search portals. Now, the second first impression is when they're walking up to your front door and entering your home. This is where our team and years of experience come into play. We help our sellers focus on items that will make their homes both more saleable and present them with all the options that can net them the most money possible. We can make just about any home market ready in 30 to 60 days or less. A buyer will truly pay more for a well-maintained home. Would you like to know what your house is worth? Go to johnschustergroup.com and enter your address here, or give us a call at 952-222-9000. Thanks so much for watching, and make it a great first impression.
Buy a home, sell a home, we'll get you moving. JohnSchusterGroup.com